G'day folks, it's aircon scrap day today. Somebody's dropped off a heap of these units they pulled the coils from, but they haven't cleaned the rest of the copper out. So I'm going to get to do it. Make a bit of beer. All beer money. Burnt. Badly burnt. Big Sanyo scroll. Oil. Blowers. Interesting looking fan motors. This was an evaporator unit. Solid copper coil. Well, that's interesting. The discharge of this compressor's gotten so hot it's discoloured the copper. It's actually burnt it. It's burnt all the paint off. Gotten bloody hot. I don't know what model it was, but it's just a cheapo. This is down the back of the graveyard. Not much down here. Where the machine normally lives. Everything gets crushed and smashed. One of my old Lotta copiers. LCD panel. This is a real drag to the lot. Stainless butterfly. Pressure gauge, a bit at it. CO2 cylinder. The ferrous alley bin's always fun. We've got mowers and small engines and BLT drives and everything in here. Outboards. Transmissions up the back there. Little Briggs 3 horsepower. A bit smashed though. Bits of old Danfoss drive. Drums and things. Tons of drums. Interesting. Little belt driven cutoff and a pedestal grinder. Also belt driven. Oh, I think it's nearly dinner time. Thanks for watching folks. The company burn bin. Looks like some old drives and things in there. Cardboard box. Like old BLT drives, they must have still been on a couple of the pallet loads of boxes. Oh well. That's a bit of a shame, there's electric actuators on there. Electric linear cylinders. It's a hospital bed. But they burnt it before I could get to it. Oh well, you can't win everything. That got her arced up. Throw the rest of the cardboard in there. Shit, that's some heat coming out. See the radiant heat on that tub there. I don't think there's anything left in this. No, it's been drilled. It's empty. It's got to be short. An old VCR head, all the goo's melted out of it. Now if anyone needs a pressure gauge, we've got these here for $10 each. They're used, but they're still good. So 5,000 PSI each, all of them. Bar, 400 bar hydraulics.